part four of our Maranatha demonstration of GospelNet's MITS, multi-site integrated technology systems. We're just going to turn on the projector. It's already plugged in. High def. Yeah, this is high def. All right, she's coming on with one click. She's hooked in. We also want to turn on the speaker's monitor. This is the where the speaker sees what the audiences are seeing through uvu. And we just come on and turn on this monitor here at the bottom. That'll come up. Now that that's coming up, you see the screen is kind of coming on. We're going to go on back to the computer, and we're going to turn uvu, which we saw in our last segment. We made a call to the Lowell Community Center. They did answer the phone through uvu, and we had a problem with a cluttered screen. So now that we have our projector turned on up front, we should be able to do something. But the first thing we need to do before we do that is we've got to turn on that switcher box. That switcher box has to be turned on. And so to turn it on, basically select, my bad shoulder, select, make sure that the right side turns green and the left side turns green with just one click each. Both should be green. Now that will allow this computer, the way it's set up now, this computer will control what's seen on that screen in this current setup. So what we can do now is just drag this to the screen as an extra monitor. Oops. Whoa. Let's blow it back down. Drag it all the way over. It comes over on the main screen. See how that works? When it goes off the screen here at the laptop, it's going on the screen up front. Then just blow it up, and now we have the audience can see what everyone else on uvu sees. So now our screen is back to being uncluttered. We're ready to go. Now let's say, for instance, the pastor has a laptop up front, or the speaker that he would like to control himself, and have the tech guy load up the PowerPoint in the window here and follow along. When he changes his screen up front, the tech guy changes it in the computer so that the people on uvu can see it. Alright, if that's the case, then he's going to hook in his laptop to the cord that's up front. I'll show you in just a moment. And once that happens, we have to give control of the main screen to the speaker. And to do that, you just click this left button, left, one time. It should turn red. One on the right should be green, the bottom on the left should be red. And now that screen would be under the control of the speaker up front. Whatever he shows from his laptop is what the local audience will see. Now, for the extended sites to see it, it has to be loaded up on PowerPoint here in this window, and the tech needs to follow the speaker along with the up and down key. And that's just that's the way it works. Real simple, but really effective. All right, we're going to walk through and look at the connections and talk about what wires go where next.